Currently, we are at the Adams MD Farm headquarters, located in beautiful Hamilton County. Main central hub, I guess you could say, of the Adams MD Farm. There's our grain silos and dryer and wet bin and all the setup for all of that there. So this is the inside of the shop. Like I said, we have other buildings that we store things in, but most of what's going to be fixed and worked on and done is going to typically take place here. All of our chemicals are stored here. Seed gets stored here. Right now, we got some decab in here. Yeah, this is the shop. What about it? All right, so what are we fixing to do here?
Fitting to go change a wheel bearing on one of our trailers that's been sitting there for like a month.
And what do we need to do that?
Just fluid jack.
This is behind a bunch of That's a haul, dude. All right, you got a 4-jack. What else you need?
I think I got everything else.
Which is what?
A hammer, some pliers to get the carter pin off, pipe wrench with a nut.
Give me a drop.
Probably need some blocks. All kinds of
So we're going to a field we call the Bland Place, or Collis's, or Collis Bland's, and yeah, the George, that's another name. There's another story to that. But we're going there. There's a trailer that's got a wheel bearing gone, and we're gonna go check it out and see what we can do there. And the reason they call it Collis Bland's, Collis is the Bland Place, is because the guy that used to own the property, his name was Collis Bland. And you'll find a lot of farms, they name the fields after the person that used to own it or used to live there. Luke ain't doing nothing. I don't know, we're just sitting over here. Says he ain't got the tools to fix the bearing or whatever.
What bearing?
The wheel.
Take it off? You got a jack now? Did you carry a jack? Did you get any tools to take it off with?
Brand new trailer right here. Look at this, fellas. Brand new off the lot. I mean, look at this thing. You know DOT wouldn't get you for nothing here.
Not around here.
Not around here. So this is the Collis Bland field. What's the issue?
Bearing is gone.
So there's 2 bearings in there. This is the first one, which I guess you call the outer bearing. And it is okay.
Change that bitch in.
Yeah, while we're in there. But we found that the hubcap, probably the reason this happened, is the hubcap. If you look in the sun, you can see it got a hole in it.
It ain't got no gas in it.
And that's not good.
You remember which one that was?
That one that we had over here, the one at the Bland field, or Matimba Tire field.
Yeah, and we took it to the Bland Place, got the tail on.
It was over here.
So you want to explain what the inside of what's going on in here? How this works? As best you can. Well, yeah, how the middle of a...
Oh, pretty easy. Slides on the shaft this way. So like, if you were sliding on the shaft, it'd be back here.
Right.
This is your back bearing. Where's the bearing at?
Right.
Back bearing sits in there, which is held in by your seal back here. Which is crazy to me, because that seal looks like it's not sealing anything else. Anyways, your seal will probably slide up on a lip to seal all the dirt from coming in from the back side.
Right.
And then on the front side, you know, bearing goes in here. The spindle comes all the way through the little threads. You put the washer on it, put the nut on it.
And then put a carter pin and
they
call it
roll.
a day.
Yeah, it rolls on that
Yep.
shaft right there.
All right,
Yeah,
so
let's
what
say pack a bearing full of grease before you put it on there. Make sure all the grease is in between all your little bearings. You just run it along your hand. You see it start coming out of the top right there.
Mm-hmm.
All the way around. Some people don't know how to pack them right.
So when you're putting these style wheels back on, or tires back on the wheel, they have these wedges, and it's hard to read on these. We can, this camera may not be able to. It says rim, which is this tire rim, and then it says wheel on the bottom, and this is the wheel. So wheel bearing has changed. We also had to tighten up some of the wheel bearings on the other side and replace the carter pins, because the carter pins are wearing out on them pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and back up this puppy and drive her home, and let's hope that we did our job correctly. I guess if we didn't, we will find out.
All we gotta do is move all this stuff out of the way so they can get all the
Is it Helena
chemicals
coming
in
in?
here. I don't know. I didn't ask.
You know what? You know what's getting delivered?
I don't even know how much. He just said a bunch. So.